I hear say this girl with the art about movies, Destiny Tico, go buy that type of my G-Wagon. If you know Destiny Tico, tag her to this video because they say Dino is the last comment of a fool. If to say I know before, I for listen to Geh Geh advice. That car what you buy, I will give you 3 reasons why that car is a financial mistake. And I'm giving you 24 hours to return that car now if you really care about your future. You know understand? Number 1, that car, it to the shop fuel. Not be to buy car, can you maintain it? For me, I think that car is beyond your financial capability. Many of them will not get financial ambience, not go understand what they talk. Now that car they use presently, that car not too common. I exactly that of my own I should buy. Only me, OGB, person like Obi Kubana with this way Destiny buy. Now only this 4. Now don't see for this full country. You know understand? For the full data still, I may get that of G-Wagon for the full data. So that car alone, if you buy fuel for inside, only to feed the tank alone, like 100 or something. What are some to feed? I know the last. So now why is it that cannot be able to say they drive regularly? So for me, I think that car is beyond her financial capability. And if you really care about her future, make she sell the car or return and make they give her back her money. You know understand? Then secondly, for me, buying a car like that, anything you know if you afford 3 times, and you go buy that in a financial mistake. That car is worth 520 million naira. 520 million for you to go back out 520 million. At least for figure that 520 million into 3 places. You know understand? Then the second reason why I feel she should return the car. Nigeria is going through a lot at this point in time. And a lot of people they look up to you, Destiny Tico. You be hope, source of blessing to a lot of people. You are supposed to be a blessing to a lot of people. And if you got that money, go buy that car for your own self. What about the rest Nigerians? So poor man not get hope for Nigeria again. Poor man not get hope for Nigeria again. See me now. See what they drink this morning. I drink cornflakes. It got me say I not get billions for account. I have billions. Now me decide to just drink this thing because I say I care about the common man. Anytime I they do anything for this life, not be say many things when they buy, I they consider other people. What if I buy this thing now? People never shop. What is the hope for a common man? All those things, you need to consider them. You know understand? Then the third reason why I feel like make she go return that car, make people pour on her. You know that's because that car na very unique car will be saying only few people get for the country. And if you now join the list of people who get that car, I could be like say that car separate you. I don't make G-Wagon popular for Nigeria. And I think by now Mercedes-Benz should give me ambassadorship. Make her be the face of G-Wagon for Nigeria. Because that my own when I buy, I not really buy that car because I need them. I buy them to keep them as a museum. So that times people go see how it feels to own a 2024 G-Wagon. Now the reason why I buy that, I cannot buy because I want drive car. I buy because I want to oppress people. Many of them don't look down on me, and I don't look down on me to the point where we say, it could be like say, I need to buy that car, and I must for me to buy that because I need to prove myself. I don't need to explain myself, give anybody again. Once you talk, I don't get money. I show you my G-Wagon, so that you will know say true, I really get money. And the reason why I buy that car, so I keep her for that place. That people go they pay money to go look at. If I tell you how much my car they generate for me in a day, you not go believe because people they pay millions just to go see the interior, the artwork, the artistic we're going to play for that thing. You know that. So if you watch you to this level, write my name in capital letter, Geh Geh, the financial dynamite. Opue.
Like and subscribe.